Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today is episode number 9 of the 60-second bike tip series, and today we're talking about going over or going through instead of going around. Let's take a look. Alright, so one quick disclaimer before we get into this video. So going over something or going through it in this instance is talking about features within the trail, not any features outside the trail. So these features within the trail might be rocks, might be roots, logs, or even puddles in some instances. So with that being said, let's all keep our lines within the trail and let's take a look at this tip. Here's a classic rocky corner where you have rocks on the right, a big rock on the left, another set of rocks on the right, and another small rock on the left as you exit this turn. So what you would normally think is that you would want to follow the smooth dirt in and out of these rocks. But what you can see here is I shoot right between the first two rocks, over the third set of rocks, and I miss the fourth set of rocks completely. Now let's take another look at this. Alright, so this is the look from the downhill, and you can see I'm tracing out my line. Sometimes it just takes some creative thought to find the best line possible, both for you and for the conditions on the trail. Alright, so that's 60-second bike tip episode number 9, and hopefully now you understand about why you might want to go over something or go through it instead of going around it, because around it looks like the better line. So try new lines out there. You might be very surprised. I'm often surprised when I ride with other people just how good their lines are compared to the lines I've chosen time and time again on a piece of trail I've been familiar with for years. So as always, I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thank you so much for watching. We'll have more content for you real soon.